very
was,
good.
yeah.
That's awesome.
That is a good answer.
I don't know how I did it for like 2 years. Interstellar. T. Wanted to become a pilot. I think family, technology, and friends. Probably want to be invisible. I'd say Mexico. Night in. A biryani. Speak every human language. A few. I can't pick one. Probably my dad. Other people's dogs. I need time to think about this. I never think about inviting people for dinner. My wife does that. I'm blank.
Night in for one then.
Yeah. I don't know. I haven't watched. I'd always wanted to learn some music instrument, but never got the chance. I'd like to play guitar. 17, you can get away with anything. Chocolate. Night agent. Take Danny. I was a bingo caller at one point. I don't think anybody would imagine me as a bingo caller. Can't even speak properly.